Hey everybody, my name's Davis. Today we're going to have another video here for a how to create a template on a new custom cushion for your backyard, out at your house, maybe on your own property, whatever we can do to certainly help you. I'm joined here with our production manager Nate. He's going to give us a hand in certainly being able to place this down, trace it out, so that then when you make your own, you can send it to us and we can then make your new custom cushion. So a couple things that you'll certainly want for you to be able to, you can maybe purchase them in a local store, but we'll also be providing them on our website that you can purchase, is some templating paper. You'll want either a duct tape or masking or painter's tape that you can be able to use. Also, we're going to end up using a double-sided tape which will adhere to one of the tapes and the template paper, and a Sharpie to then be able to trace and mark out and write on the template paper what exactly you're doing and anything that can help us. Alright, so the first step we just completed is outlining the perimeter in the duct tape, and then now we're going to go along the edges now with our double-sided tape, to which then our tracing paper will adhere, and then you can trace it with your Sharpie. Alright everybody, so now after you have placed your double-sided tape now, you want to then place your patterning or your tracing paper down across your surface. Make sure it's large enough so that it covers the entire area, and then you'll see where we're going to start in the center and work our way out to the edges of being able to place that paper down before we trace it.
As I go along here, you just take your time, concentrate on keeping your patterning paper flat. Alright, now that we've got this template nice and flat, obviously we've got a lot of excess on here, so we're going to go ahead and trim that off at this point.
After you have placed down your double-sided tape, you have put down your patterning paper and cut away the excess, we're going to now trace with your Sharpie exactly how your cushions will end up being designed, so that then when we receive them, we know the specific shapes and dimensions. Alright everybody, now that you have used your Sharpie to trace your furniture, we can then see the markings. Make sure you write your name, the location, and the perspective so that we can visualize how your cushions will then be positioned on your furniture. Alright everyone, now that we have finished our template, that then hopefully you'll be able to send us yours so that we can make your own cushion. Feel free to give us a call, let us know how we can help. Find us online, like, comment, and share, and let us know what we can do for you.